Welcome to our tutorial on the top 5 compliance issues every agent should be aware of. As an insurance company, 5-Star Life is committed to following the rules and regulations from the states and territories where we do business. We must also ensure that you, the agent, stay compliant with those same rules and regulations. Compliance is all about providing protection for the customer, you, and the company. These are the top 5 compliance issues you should be aware of. They are divided into 2 parts. Part A is before the sales process and includes advertising and privacy. This was covered in a separate training clip. Part B is during the sales process and includes insurable interest, replacements, and sales best practices. Now let's learn about the compliance issues that happen during the sales process. As an agent, you have the responsibility to ensure that the owner and beneficiary have an insurable interest in the policy. Please note, beneficiary insurable interest is a standard industry practice, even if it's not required by regulation or statute. Insurable interest falls within 2 categories. The first category is love and affection, which generally requires a familial relationship. The second category is economic loss, where the death of the insured results in an economic loss to the interested person. 5-Star Life accepts individuals and common trusts as beneficiaries, but not corporations, partnerships, investment trusts, or similar entities. An insurable interest form, Form R814, needs to be completed and approved by compliance when insurable interest is in question. Submit the form as part of the new business process you would normally follow. You can watch a 3-minute video that highlights the importance of compliance and outlines a few guidelines. Go to the 5-Star Life Insurance website under Brokers, Worksite, Resources, Training, and look for insurable interest. Our next compliance topic involves replacements. You never want to replace existing life insurance unless the new coverage is clearly in your client's best interest. A replacement occurs when a new policy or contract is purchased and the individual discontinues making premium payments on an existing policy or contract, and that coverage is terminated to facilitate acquiring the new insurance coverage. After assessing your client's needs and finding a replacement is warranted, you need to follow replacement procedures required in your state. Be sure to watch our training clip on replacements, where we cover in-depth procedures by state. Let's discuss some sales practices that will help you stay compliant in all your sales and solicitation activities. It's important you comply with our ethical code of market conduct in all aspects of sales and service with your clients. You must present the appropriate insurance product and adequate level of coverage and quote premiums that will satisfy the needs of your client. When discussing product provisions, explain them with your client at the point of sale and ensure they understand the product benefits, costs, and limitations. Once your application and required forms are complete, be sure to review them for accuracy. The Agent Code of Conduct form can be found within Salesforce under the Sales Share Library. This form is signed by each agent upon licensing with 5-Star Life. Here are a few additional tips regarding sales best practices. No one other than the insured or applicant may answer the statement of health questions or sign the application. Please note, we do not follow this for the National Guard market. A Guard member applies for the spouse and children. If an error is made on the application, cross it out. Do not use whiteout. Both you and the applicant must initial the change. The date and state where the application is signed must be accurate. If the state of residence does not match the state where the application is signed, the policy may not be issued. Before you solicit business, verify the status of your license and appointment with 5-Star Life. And always be honest and professional. You will win the trust and confidence of your clients. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Please feel free to reach out to our sales and agent support team, or you can click here to complete a request form. Thank you for your time and for choosing to be appointed with AFBA and 5-Star Life. We look forward to doing business with you, and we are dedicated to you because we care.